Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling exact inputs. This speeds the AI and tightens results. Tell Chatgpt your audience, tone, keywords, and a sample post to mimic. Once done, provide a clear headline and a word count goal, for example 200 words, and a publish date. Make sure to include source links or pasted research so the model cites ideas correctly. Now give a short outline with 3-6 headings. This becomes the scaffold. The model expands into a full draft. You run the middle work by creating section drafts one at a time. Ask the model to write each heading into 2-4 paragraphs and to include examples. Then request an optimized intro hook and a conclusion with 3 calls to action. Once you have all sections, use iterative prompts to tighten tone and factual accuracy. Say, make this friendlier and cite sources, and adjust length by asking for an expanded or condensed version. Keep checking section transitions for flow and coherence. You finish by proofreading and validating facts, run a plagiarism check, and correct any numeric or factual errors. Then produce final deliverables: headline variants, SEO meta description, image captions, and social blurbs. Export the draft to your CMS and preview the layout before publishing. If the model drifts or hallucinated details, isolate the problematic paragraph, paste it back, and ask for a concise correction with source-based wording. That targeted fix usually resolves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.